Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to break down a really popular playbook for generating online revenue. Today, we're looking specifically at the high-level blueprint for building a sustainable, recurring online income stream. You know, if you've ever felt like generating income online is just this constant, exhausting treadmill of trying to find new customers every single day, well, this Explainer is probably going to change how you look at the entire digital landscape. We're going to unpack exactly how this system works, step by step, using the source material we've got. So let's get right to it.
40%. Now, I really want to highlight this massive number right out of the gate, because in this blueprint, that isn't just some one-time bonus. That actually represents the recurring commission available to you. Every single month, you have the opportunity to capture a massive 40% slice of the revenue for every active user that you bring into this ecosystem. Think about what that actually means for your baseline income over time. You aren't just starting back at zero on the first of every month. You're actually building a compounding asset.
So what exactly is the engine behind that 40%? Well, we're talking about the high-level affiliate program. The source defines this as the structured network designed to build recurring income by supporting marketing agencies and helping business owners scale. Notice the phrasing there, right? This isn't just about selling some random product to someone who doesn't even need it. It's a highly structured way to empower fellow agency owners so they can scale their own operations. You're basically providing them with the exact tools they need to succeed. The source material really frames this as the ultimate win-win. You provide the tools to help them scale, and in return, you're capturing a piece of that success.
All right, moving into Section 1, the recurring income opportunity. Now, what's really interesting about this part is the entire lifetime clause. You earn recurring commissions for the entire lifetime of every active account you refer. And that's absolutely crucial, because traditional affiliate marketing can feel, frankly, a bit like a hamster wheel. You might get a great commission on a one-off sale, but then you immediately have to go hunt down the absolute next buyer just to pay rent. With this model, as long as the customer you referred remains active and continues to use the platform to run their business, you receive that monthly recurring income. It's really a completely different paradigm that focuses heavily on long-term retention rather than just short-term transactions.
Let's pivot now to Section 2, the YouTube growth strategy. Let's see how this builds.
To effectively promote this program, the source material points directly to creating YouTube tutorials focused on a few core pillars. We're talking about helping businesses grow, getting more leads, building websites, and setting up AI automation. Basically, this is your exact content roadmap. You are showing customers step-by-step how to use the high-level platform to improve their own operations. And by solving their problems for free on YouTube, you're building incredible trust. So when they realize they actually need the software to implement the solutions you just taught them, you become the most logical person they'll sign up under.
There is a catch, however. You can make literally the best tutorial in the world on AI automation or lead generation, but treating it like a hobby is going to yield hobby results. To drive signups effectively, posting frequently is the critical differentiator for success here. The algorithm clearly favors consistency, but more importantly, your audience builds trust through that consistency. Basically, if you want to build a serious, reoccurring income, your output absolutely has to match your ambition.
All right, bringing us to Section 3, getting started today.
So the crucial point is looking at how the blueprint lays out this very straightforward four-step chronological flow. Step 1, sign up using the link. Step 2, make YouTube tutorials focused on business growth. Step 3, refer active users who watch those tutorials. And Step 4, earn monthly recurring income for the lifetime of those accounts. It is incredibly straightforward. Now, I'm not saying it takes zero effort. You still have to actually make the tutorials and post them frequently, but the underlying system is just beautifully simple. You really don't need to overcomplicate it. Just follow those exact 4 steps.
The blueprint's ultimate call to action is to apply for the Go High-Level affiliate program right away. If you're ready to explore this model, use the link provided in the description below this explainer to sign up and access the free training resources outlined in the source material. Seriously, check the links in the description below, because when you do, you won't just get access to the program, you'll also receive specific tools designed to help you get your YouTube strategy off the ground immediately. The link is right down there.
I really want to leave you with this final provocative thought to reflect on today. Are you ready to build a system that pays you for the lifetime of your referrals? Because you now have the blueprint. You understand the 40% recurring commission structure, you know the exact YouTube tutorial strategy required to drive that traffic, and you have the links to apply and get your free training resources below. The path is crystal clear. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. If this blueprint aligns with your goals, your very next step is waiting for you in the description.